Hi guys! We're cooking something very unique today. It's octopus. Many of you are probably never cooked with these 8 long arms aquatic animal before. Well, fear not. It's easier than you think. Especially when we have help from the supermarket where these are washed, cut, and prepped, ready to use and throw it in the wok. See the end of this video for clips at the market where I bought the frozen bag. And if you're one of those people who never tried and still hesitate to even come close, let alone eating it, my mom's always said, you just need to try once. If you don't like it, you don't need to eat it again. Done. We're doing it. Now, the only thing you need to worry about is, did you cook enough for everyone in your family because it's going to be delicious? Or 2, did you cook it too long? That is rubbery. Here's some tips. So this is going to take no time at all. I love fast food. Fast to cook, that is. It should not take longer than a minute because the octopus is already pre-cooked. Be sure that all other ingredients are well cooked before adding in the octopus. Cover and let it steam for a minute. Then add the basil at the very end. And that's it. You're done. I hope you enjoyed this special dish. Remember, you only need to try everything at least once, though I'm sure this dish may be a repeat for many of you. That includes my family. Thanks, Mom, for your always wise, encourage, and inspirational words. Cheers! Okay, blanched octomari, which is an octopus. So it's a pre-cut. Blanched means that it's probably flash, cooked already. It's a smaller bag, about 1 pound, more than plenty. Here's another brand. Okay, this looks interesting, but it's gonna have to be in another show. But this one, similar. Octopus style, cooked squid. Tentacle sliced already. Fish looking pretty good too. Okay, alright. Yeah, so we buy that. But this one looks better. See if it looks better. Alright. This is the one we're gonna get. Let's go make it.